Hello, welcome to Drop 14. So hope you guys are staying safe and taking care of yourself and your loved ones. So last week was okay from the last to the previous week. So it's been now like 12 days since my grandfather passed away. So overall I was really able to get back to my routine to some extent in the last week, but not up to my full extent. So grade I would grade around 1 or 1.5 for my last week, but majorly from this coming Monday I would be really able to get back to my routine and पूरा दिन मिल जाएगा काम करने के लिए, and I think it would be again back on track like from the coming Monday onwards. So this is my personal update. And on the startup side, what I have taken care of is like even though I didn't got much time, but I really took care of designs as much as possible. So majorly now we are around, like you can say, 60+ % of the whole design is completed. So majorly in the coming month what will be moving forward is on the tertiary pages like settings या फिर बाकी के जो पेज होते हैं which are not much more used. The core functionalities and core designs has been done, but tertiary pages and few extra features or few products which are still in pipeline of the development, so उनके design, so majorly remaining things का design next coming month में हो जाएगा. So, and overall team is really motivated, and like as I've been saying like, because as we are inching more closer to our journey, we are getting more excited about it. Like really now we are able to see the whole product and like whole our efforts in like a tangible manner, and it gives us really immense like excitement or a thrill, you can say, for us to really see what we have invested a lot of time on it. So वहाँ पे सब सही चल रहा है. Client side is also going great, product side is also going great, and I'll really try to keep you guys updated with our whole journey and process of it. So ये हमारा client like startup update था. Now moving on to the challenge or the idea part. So as last 2 weeks have been quite tricky for me. So उससे last to the previous week was really altogether like वहीं पे एक फैमिली के ऊपर ही फोकस था, तो वहाँ पे चैलेंज एंड एवरीथिंग वाज लाइक वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं हुआ. बट लास्ट वीक में आई ट्राई टू पिक अप सम ऑफ द पॉइंट्स लाइक बुक रीडिंग. तो 1-2 दिन थोड़ा सा वापस अपने ट्रैक पे लेके आया हूँ, बट स्टिल नॉट क्वाइट इनफ. सो बट दिस ड्रॉप्स आर वन थिंग दैट आई एम रियली ट्राइंग दैट आई कीप देम पोस्टेड ईच वीकेंड. तो ये ड्रॉप थोड़ा सा ऐसा है जो मैं कंटिन्यूसली एफर्ट कर रहा हूँ, कुछ भी हो जाए. सो दिस इज द 14th डे, 14th वीडियो ऑफ द ड्रॉप. सो challenges are like very kept aside, but in this coming week I would be again get back to all my routines like, तो वो challenges वहाँ पे हो जाएगा. But this week's idea or the experiment, as you might have already seen from the title, it's deadline. Like last week के वीडियो में हम लोग ने टाइम के बारे में बात की. like time is very fundamental thing of the universe, like endless a time, like it was there before us and it is right now and it will be always, like time is always. But what makes time so much precious is like when constraints are added or when it comes into a frame of reference, like a day, 24 hours, or a week, or next 2 months, or next 3 months, or eventual our life. A human can live, let's say, on an approximately 100 years, 100 साल तक कोई जी सकता है. तो then 100 years as a time becomes really precious. Then thus the accountability of time and the preciousness or the importance of times comes in picture. So important part here is definitely the period, the duration, but the important part is the deadline as well, because उसके ऊपर ही वो duration calculate होता है. So now we are working so hard on the product, and eventually we have had many ups and downs. So whole timeline of our product has been really disturbed in last 1 or 2 years or so. Pandemic बोलो या client side बोलो या product side बोलो या फिर कोई research का hurdle हो या फिर any sort of that, or funds, any sort of that model, that have been really rigorous changes in our plans. But few things that we understood regarding, as I stated in my first few videos about what a startup is like, it really prioritize growth in terms of everything, like in exception to everything else. So हमारा focus भी वही है. Now we are drawing a really hard line towards launch, a public global launch that will be on September 1st. like तब कुछ भी हो जाए, anyhow we have to do it. like that's the final of it, final. So our goal for next 3 months is like June, July and August. In June we'll be like keeping our goal is to get 100 folks test it out and give us feedback, really quality and positive feedbacks, but at the same time good and positive criticism as well. So June में हमारा target है कि like 100 लोगों के साथ test करेंगे, and we'll work on remaining features, we'll work on improvement, bug fixes and everything sort of that matter. And July may will go towards 1000 folks, and we will really try to stabilize the platform in terms of optimization and scalability issues. तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा वो मंथ में वो फोकस करेंगे, एंड द आइडियल टाइम वुड बी दैट वी वुड बी लॉन्चिंग इट वुड बी अराउंड अगस्त. बट अगस्त मंथ इज काइंड ऑफ अ बफर, लाइक कुछ भी हो सकता है 3-4 महीनों में, नो बडी नोज. सो वो थोड़ा बफर टाइम टाइप का है कि अगर अगस्त में अगर ना हो पाए देन अगस्त वन इज लाइक देन सितंबर वन इज लाइक द हार्ड डेडलाइन. लाइक एनी हाउ वी हैव टू हिट दैट डेडलाइन. दस दिस लाइक 14th drop का idea or the experiment is like deadline. Like we try to do a lot of stuff in our lives, but अगर deadline नहीं रहेगा तो फिर वो stuff या hobby या passion या anything for that sort of matter doesn't matter. Like deadline comes with duration, and फिर उसके हिसाब से accountability भी आती है. Like I know next 3 months I have to do this, तो ये 3 month का accountability क्या है, what steps or what day to day processes I need to be do. तो like वहाँ पे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. सो आई थिंक दिस वीक्स चैलेंज वुड बी अराउंड डेडलाइन, मेकिंग श्योर वट एवर थिंग्स वी आर डूइंग वी हैव अ डेडलाइन, एंड मोर ओवर वी ऑल्सो हैव अ प्रायोरिटाइजेशन प्रोसेस ऑन इट. तो वो थोड़ा सा आई वुड लाइक टू टेक दिस एज अ चैलेंज, बिकॉज अभी तक थोड़ा सा हैपहैज़ार्ड में चल रहा था, कुछ भी टाइमलाइन था, कभी भी फ्लेक्सिबल था इन्हें बहुत तक, तो चेंज हो जाता था, नहीं होता था. तो नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू रियली हैव अ हार्ड डेडलाइन. September 1, nothing special about that, just few strategic reasons. I can explain that in some another video. But वहाँ पे would be a hard deadline, and August would be ideal thing that will be launching up. So this week's like the idea or the experiment is like deadlines. And moving on to the final part of the video, like I really thank you guys for like giving so much wonderful wishes on sending me out in my when you like commenting and DMing me. So thank you so much for that response, and we are really grateful for everyone's wishes. Now it's good, we and all our family are now in very good like we are okay right now, and everything is going on as a normal routine. So now I'm back to the routine whole, and we all are now really like moving forwards to our like end of our journey of what we have been building up till now. So hope so I would I would be again back like I would be again like active on social media. So shayad I will be keeping up more up to date with you guys. So catch you guys in the next one, and let me know what you guys have been working on, and in case if you are on a tight deadline on some project or something, then also let me know in the comments. And if you guys really are curious, or if you guys are in the field of content creators community, social media or marketing or a product marketing, or at the end of the day a curious geek who just want to see what these guys have been working out, so you can DM me or you can comment me on this post, and I will able to get you early access so that you can test us out. Just in return you should you should be giving us a really good amount of feedbacks. So if you are curious, then let me know, I would be able to get you early access. So वहाँ पे सब सही है, and closing it out with like make sure you guys are taking care of yourself and taking care of your loved ones, and see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe, keep hustling, and YOLO. Bye.